qualities of a good computer technician. Computer technician skills. A technician must be familiar with and thoroughly understand computer terminology. Use logic to solve problems. Make knowledgeable, clear, concise, and direct statements to other technical support professionals. Explain the problem to the user. Be an expert in the field. Information communication in technology's positive, lasting impact on clients and the workplace. In order to understand how the current impact of technology in the workplace is so strong. Operating system expert. Learn how to work with operating systems, applications, and settings on a user level before diving deeper into the subject. Your computer's operating system manages all of the software and hardware on the computer. Most of the time, there are several different computer programs running at the same time, and they all need to access your computer's central processing unit, memory, and storage. MS-DOS. MS-DOS, which is short for Microsoft Disk Operating System, is a non-graphical command line operating system developed for IBM-compatible computers with x86 microprocessor. Windows is an operating system designed by Microsoft to be used on a standard x86 Intel and AMD processors.
Some of the list of Windows operating system: Windows 3.1, Windows 95, Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows XP, Windows ME, Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10 and Windows 11. Solaris or Sun OS is the name of the Sun Company's Unix variant operating system that was originally developed for its family of scalable processor architecture-based processors, SPARC, as well as for Intel-based processors. Sun OS, Solaris 8, Solaris 9, Solaris 10, Solaris 11, Open Solaris, Bellini X.
The Linux OS is an open-source operating system project that is a freely distributed, cross-platform operating system developed based on Unix.
Linux operating system: Ubuntu Linux, Linux Mint, Puppy Linux, Fedora, Debian Linux, SUSE Linux, Red Hat Enterprise Linux, Tails, Kali Linux.
iOS, which is short for iPhone OS, is a mobile operating system created and developed by Apple Inc.
iOS operating system 1, 2.0, 3.0, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14.
Android is a Google's Linux-based operating system. It is designed primarily for touchscreen mobile devices such as smartphones and tablet computers.
Android operating system: Cupcake, Donut, Eclair, Froyo, Gingerbread, Honeycomb, Ice Cream Sandwich, Jelly Bean, Kit Kat, Lollipop, Marshmallow, Nougat, Oreo, Pie and Android 10. Have a good understanding of hardware. Hardware refers to all of the physical parts of a computer system. For a traditional desktop computer, this comprises the main system unit, a display screen, a keyboard, a mouse, and sometimes a printer. Speakers, a webcam and an external hard drive for backup storage are often also included.
Three of the most important qualities that a technician can have are active listening skills, a good attitude, and logic.
Active listening entails paying attention to what someone is saying, especially if they are having a problem. Good eye contact, nodding your head occasionally to signal that you are following the conversation, taking notes on crucial topics, and avoiding distractions such as incoming cell phone calls or text messages are all examples of active listening skills. Ask appropriate questions to clarify client remarks and avoid interrupting. Allow clients to finish their phrases if they wish. Many technicians dive right into a problem the instant they hear the user's initial symptom. Pay attention to the full issue. Do not act superior because you are familiar with phrases and concepts that they are unfamiliar with. Ask open-ended questions, which allow the respondent to elaborate on the response rather than responding with a single word, such as yes or no. Positive attitude. The most important attribute a technician may have is a cheerful attitude. Many technicians are impatient with customers, not taking the time to listen to their concerns or identify the best answers. When a user is frustrated because a computer or an attached gadget isn't working properly, having a positive attitude can assist. A professional with a pleasant attitude does not minimize the customer's problem. To a computer user, every problem is equally serious. In the computer service profession, having a good attitude is essential for success. Apply logic to solve problem. A technician must be familiar with and thoroughly understand computer terminology to 1. Use logic to solve problems. 2. Talk intelligently to other technical support personnel in clear, concise, and direct remarks. 3. Explain the problem to the user. And 4. Be knowledgeable in the field. The technician must be conversant with and properly comprehend computer terminology. Because changes happen so regularly, technicians must keep their abilities up to date all of the time. Develop the desire to understand the most up-to-date information and to seek out information that will assist you in solving challenges.
Capable of software installation. Has the skill or qualities necessary on installing software through a variety of popular installation mechanisms. What is Microsoft application software? Microsoft applications are comprised of mainly the Office suite of applications that support various productivity needs on both Microsoft Windows and Mac OS X operating systems. Here are some of the list of Microsoft application software. What is iOS application software? iOS application development is the process of making mobile applications for Apple hardware, including iPhone, iPad and iPod Touch. The software is written in a Swift programming language or Objective-C and then deployed to the App Store for users to download. Here are some of the list of iOS application software.
What is Linux application software? Linux registered trademark is an open-source operating system. An operating system is the software that directly manages a system's hardware and resources, like CPU, memory, and storage. The OS sits between applications and hardware and makes the connections between all of your software and the physical resources that do the work. Here are some of the list of Linux application software. What is Android application software? Android is an open-source software stack that includes the operating system, middleware, and built-in mobile applications based on a modified version of Linux that device vendors can further customize to differentiate their products. Here are some of the Android application software.
What is the most important skill for a PC technician? Problem solving and decision making. For any technician, problem solving is an essential skill. To troubleshoot computer hardware, you will need a significant foundation in problem solving and careful decision making. Computers need to be handled in a logical and even-handed way.
When looking for a licensed computer technician, it's critical to consider the services he or she provides as well as customer feedback. He should possess all of the attributes listed above in order to maintain his reputation in the market.